In the previous video, we cheated a little bit because how would you implement string.find without a loop, some might say. Well, actually, that's pretty easy. We'll do it right now. So how do you implement string find? So we want to return the index of the first occurrence of C in the string S. For example, if your string is, let's say, ANSI, and you're looking for C equals S, then the answer would be 0, 1, 2, 3. We should return 3. So here's the insight. The insight is this. If you're looking for S not in ANSI, that's written like that, but in ANSI, then the answer, when here is 3, here it should be 2. And if you remove the N as well, it should be 1. And if you remove the G, it should be 0. So this suggests the recursive strategy. The idea is just look at the first character, and if the first character matches C, then return 0. If the first character does not match C, what you do is you just cut out the first character and then add 1 to the return value if the return value is not -1. So let's take care of the base cases. So we'll say that if the length of the string is 0, well, then the string is empty, so C is definitely not an S, and we got to return -1. Now we check for the first character. So if S at 0 is equal to C, then we got to return 0 because C is found at the first index. Now we got to make the recursive call. So we'll try to find C in the rest of S. We definitely know that C is not at 0 because then we would have returned. And now we have two options. So either C was found somewhere in S starting from index 1 and up to the end, or it was not. If it was not, and S at 0 is also not equal to C, which it's not because we haven't returned, then we got to return -1. So if the answer is -1, then we got to return -1 as well. If the answer is not -1, so if we found C in S somewhere, so this would be the case here where you would find S down the line in the string ANSI, then what we got to do is we got to return 1 plus the index of the C that we're looking for in the shorter string. Why? Because if you remove the first character, all the indices shift by 1 to the left, so they shift by -1.